Now guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make tasso the Haitian way. This is some beef that I cut, and then also I use this thing to smash it. This thing here, you just smash the meat, that way all the flavor can get in. So I just marinated overnight in the grandma sauce, and now I'm just going to fry it. Then we're going to make a sauce with that. We're going to put some water and let it boil. It smells really delicious. You can add some garlic, any kind of seasoning you want. But with the grandma sauce, it's like it has all the ingredients you need for tasty tasso. So you just cut it thinly like this. We're just going to let it cook in the oil for like 5-10 minutes. Then we're going to pour some water. That way we can let it boil. And as soon as it's cooked, then we're going to fry it. And it's going to be so delicious.